Hey guys, today I got a brand new unit here. It's a Leer 100S. Fits the 2020 to current Chevy 2500 3500s with the 6.9 short bed. It's GNT, radiant red is the color. It has no windows, it's smooth sides, what they call smooth sides. This one's in good shape, there's nothing wrong with it really. Go down through here, the top edge look good. I said this is a brand new unit. So that fits the 3/4 ton Chevy trucks. Looks good down through here. No problems. This has never been off the rails, so there's no damage on this at all. It's all good shape. There was a small nick right there. It's been touched up. I think there was one up there, a little small. I can't even see it. There it is. A little small nick that's been touched up there, but that was it on there. It does have the front sliding window in it. Here, get away, bugs. This is all brand new, so this all works. Install kit for it. Touch up paint, which that's open because we just touched that up. A little nick that was in there. Looks good down through here. No damage there. Looks good all the way through there. Looks like they didn't wash it. They didn't do a very good job. They got some dirt and stuff over here. I tried to get it off there, but right here was two little nicks they touched up right there, but that's it. That's the only thing wrong on this top. So this is a brand new unit. This was ordered in for someone. They had some issues, so we have it for sale. There it is. It's a 20 to current Silverado, 6'7" bed. GNT radiant is the paint code. Inside, there's really nothing to look at. It's just bare fiberglass. Nothing real spectacular. It is all brand new, so make sure the wiring and everything will work, and it's all up there in the front. We just looked at the install kit there. There's a serial number. Does have a dome light in it. There it is, Leer 100S. GNT Radiant Red. It's the 2020 to current Chevy GMC trucks with the 6.7 bed. The 2500 3500s. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. There's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available for purchase off our website as well. So you click that link, go to our website, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, brand, color, height, color, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to subscribe to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck apps, this is local pickup only. We do not ship these. You'll need to make arrangements to pick this up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.